There are days when history is made. Today, with the successful moon landing of the Chandrayan-3 mission, our scientists have not only made history but also remade the idea of geography. It is truly a momentous occasion, the kind of event that happens once in a lifetime, making all Indians proud. I congratulate ISRO and everybody involved in this mission and wish them greater achievements ahead. The success of Chandrayaan, I believe, is also a major achievement for the whole of humankind. It shows how India has harnessed its rich traditional knowledge base along with modern science in the service of humanity.